Namaskar, I am Amisha Tiwari, student of Guru Jyoti Tai. I am extremely grateful to my Guru Jyoti Tai for suggesting me for this honorable event and thankful to Lehja Art Foundation Guru Sheetal Tai for giving the platform to express my views on Guru Shishya Parampara. In any field of arts, whether it is dancing, singing, instrument playing, etc., the role of Guru is utmost important, which is why the place of Guru is in the heart of Shishya in very respectful manner. Guru Shishya Parampara has been in existence since thousands of years, that is since the Vedic, Upanishad and the Puran period. Guru is the preceptor of knowledge. Knowledge could either be multidisciplinary or single subject specific. Shishya considers Guru as a lifelong mentor and maintains a deep relationship with him. Guru Shishya Parampara is a traditional methodology of sharing information, insights, experience, etc. from the Guru to Shishya. With it, they also imbibe the experience and knowledge of creating new things so that they can propagate it to the next generation. To have an individual who fine-tunes your skills and shapes almost every aspect of your life is empowering. Guru molds Shishya in a proper way by correcting their flaws and mistakes. According to Sant Kabir, सदगुरु मिला जो जानिए ज्ञान उजाला होए धर्म का भांडन तोड़कर रहे निराला होए means if you will be at the feet of preceptor then you will express a glow of knowledge. One should break the sphere of delusion and maintain their own independence. Guru Shishya proximity is not only about the social order but also it is about the milestone which human beings needs to achieve in their life. Guru shows the path towards the God and watches the progress of his disciple along that path, which is why the glory is always towards the Guru. He inspires confidence, dedication, devotion and illumination through love. To gain knowledge, Guru is necessary. The king of Ayodhya's Guru was Rishi Vashishtha, Guru of Nanda Baba was Guru Garga Muni, Guru of Archer Arjun was Dronacharya Ji. In the field of arts as well, Guru of Supreme Single Tansin was Swami Haridas, Guru of Nawab Wajid Ali Shah Ji was Ustad Chand Khan, and so on. Guru Shishya Parampara is immortal and no one can vanish it. During the ancient time, the Shishya used to be at the board of Guru until they strive perfection in the art of learning. They were also taught to be independent by performing household chores like cleaning, cooking, etc. Dance and music were taught very deeply, which taught them the value of perseverance, devotion and dedication. To enhance the creativity, other art forms like sculpting, painting, etc. were taught. But now the things have been changed. There are only few Gurukuls left. Rest of the Gurukuls have been converted into institutions where Shishya goes for a limited time period during the specific days of the week. With technology getting better and better, everyone becoming tech savvy, the Gurus are also offering lessons on social media platforms like YouTube, etc. From there, the Shishya can learn virtually. The classical dance pedagogy and aims as teaching moral values to the Shishya, being punctual to class, system of life by helping students work in teams, understanding theoretical aspects from the practical learning, and so on. The modern Guru Shishya Parampara is an intermingling of traditional Gurukul system and modern Guru Shishya Parampara. There are numerous ways of teaching. There are innovation in the choreographies, differently explaining the mythological stories, but it tries to maintain the hierarchy and unquestioning the respect that existed in the traditional Gurukul system. Guru Shishya phenomenon is not only famous in India but also around the world. If shopping, taxation, education, etc. can go online, then why not learning dance and continuing Guru Shishya Parampara? Even if the Shishya resides in another place, country, etc., they can learn virtually from their Guru. And this virtual culture is expected to be grown in the preceding years as well. As the pandemic has pressed on, there are numerous ways that people are coming together. There are dances of gratitude, dances as a way of encouraging people to dance their blues away, dances with the masks, maintaining distance, etc. Art transcends all the barriers and the boundaries. The current COVID situation is enough to daunt even the strongest, but dance with its unique power is serving as a vehicle of hope around the world. All the Gurus have taken many initiatives during this COVID period. Online choreographies has also turned up the situation, like Guru Shambhavi Dandekar's Ganesh Panchamrit series of online choreographies, where every detail is explained precisely. Her initiative of distance learning program is also really fascinating. Recently, my guru visited a beach. From there, she had conducted our online class, and learning from that view was really mesmerizing. Every year in the month of June or July, we celebrate Guru Purnima, the auspicious day. This has been carried on since the traditional period onwards. But during the COVID also, this festival has been carried on very enthusiastically. Even though we have not met physically, but we were connected through online medium from our heart, and this festival has been celebrated fantastically. The Shishis should spend more and more time with Guru so that they can get the positive energy, positive vibes from the Guru. Guru Shishya Parampara is immortal. At the end, I would like to thank all the Gurus for enriching the life of Shishya by widening their horizons. Without you all, many aspects of our life would have been unexplored. Thank you.